In today's video, I'll teach you how to log in Tumblr on PC. First of all, launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in tumblr.com. Press enter. After you do that, you'll be led to the official website of Tumblr. You can see over here initially you'll be led to this kind of interface. Click on this option login that you can see on the screen. Now you'll be led to the login interface. You can either continue with Google or you can also continue with Apple and email. So what you have to do is simply click on the login method of your choice. Here I've selected the option for email. Now what you have to do is enter your email address over here. Make sure to enter the correct email address. After you do that, click on this option next that you can see on the screen. Now you'll be prompted to enter your password. Simply enter the password of your account and you'll be logged into your account. So that is how you log in Tumblr account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.